road is amazing, beautiful. This is made for a Panigale. It's just super bike material, this road. Okay, so let's talk turkey. Why should you own one of these, and what's it like after 3 years? Roughly 15,000 kilometers. Okay, so in all honesty, this was my dream bike. Before this, I had an 848 Evo, which was equally as impressive, and I kept that thing absolutely immaculate. I ended up selling it to a very short person. I don't think you can call them dwarves anymore. Anyway, it was a pretty amazing bike. So I always wanted to stick with Ducati. So I bought this 3 years ago. I actually bought it secondhand, and it had virtually no mods done to it. Pretty much within a week or so of buying it, I completely dropped the clutch. So the clutch just went goodbye, no more clutch. I was 250 k's from my house, so I had to try and figure out how to fix that. But that was just a simple clutch bleed, and that actually fixed that. I'm not sure if it's fixed it like long term, because that problem has just come back this week. So other than that, I've had a new quick shifter. So they put a new quick shifter on it for me. That came in part of the warranty. So I'm not going to count that as a cost. I've done 3 major services, around about $1,000 per service. And then I think I've done 3 sets of tires, and each time I get tires, I just go slightly better. So currently I'm running Super Corsa SPs, and then as the next Super Corsas come out, I'll probably get the next best thing as well. So they seem to keep going up in value. So there's one little expense which is just going to keep sort of cruising upwards for you. Okay, so let's talk ergonomics. I'm 6'1", so actually I could be taller. I could be 6'2". So anyway, you would think that this would be far too far forward for me, but all of my friends that ride this bike, similar height to me, they get off their super sport bikes and they get onto this, and they feel that this is super comfortable because you're in the bike, you're not on the bike. So compared to my BMW S1000RR, this feels like I'm riding a Harley. This is uber different, completely different. Okay, let's start from the back and let's talk mods. So very first thing I did is I got a tail tidy for it. That is, I can't even remember the name of that tail tidy, but it's actually pretty nice. I think it was around about $200. Okay, next up, just talking about the wheels, I got some custom wheel lettering done. So what you see on the outside, the rim tape, that's actually just, that's off the Italian website, Bellissimo Moto, I think. But then I got some Ducati signs, which go on the main part of the wheel. I got them made up out of vinyl as well. I had an Arrow slip-on titanium exhaust. I put that on myself. I bought that direct from Italy, so that was relatively cheap. Around about installed, including the up map, was about $3 grand. I've done the Duca Bike clear clutch cover, did that myself as well. I think I got this again from Italy. I just can't remember the name of the shop, but that looks hell awesome when it's spinning. Yeah, that was I think $750. Tank grip pads, because the better I get at riding, the more I need them. They're genuine Ducati, they're about $100. I've got Rizoma bar end weights on here, and then I've got Moto Gadget Spy arm mirrors. These are actually probably one of the most expensive things on the bike because they're made out of aluminium. They're about, I think, $350. I got some custom stickers. So obviously the Pramac stickers, they were all custom. And then on top of that, I've also got the silver version of the Panigale R stickers. So I put them on myself. I think they look pretty hot. We've got the Rizoma mini indicators to replace the indicators from the stock. And obviously the indicator block offs. So they're pretty cool. What else have we got? Yeah, just a phone mount. Quick charger is added in there as well. A couple other little bits and bobs. There's a whole bunch of Duca Bike stuff all over the bike. We've got front sliders. We've got peg sorry, a stand peg on there as well. We've got a whole bunch of other stuff which just hasn't gone on the bike yet for around here, just to glam this up a little bit, because this does look a little bit ratty. So I can honestly say 3 years, 15,000 Ks, it's never had a hard breakdown where I couldn't get it home. It's been completely reliable. So yeah, who would have thought that a Ducati would go that long, not cost the absolute earth to run, and still make you want to buy another one?